Dancehall recording artist Shenseea seems as if she has cut tie with the Romeich entertainment camp after she posted a picture with her new manager. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember do the golden rule and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest in celebrity news, both local and international. So coming up on the scoop for today, what really caused the split between dancehall recording artist Shenseea and the Romeich entertainment camp? That's the question many people are asking, and there has been many speculation and misconception going on online in relation to what they believe really transpired that caused this massive split between the two. But there have been rumors circulating online from weeks now that the two have not been seen eye to eye. But an effort to reach Romeich proved futile in order to get some assessment of what really caused the split between the two. But Shenseea last night posted a picture which depicts her new manager, and she wrote, "Allow me to introduce my new manager. I'm happy to have one with such dynamic character in my team." So that was what she wrote on her social media platform. So many people are congratulating her on this wonderful move, while many people are wondering why Romeich and Shenseea split after so many years of managing her and actually propelling her career so much on the international scene. So today Romeich posted on his social media platform, and this was what he wrote. Many people are wondering whether this was a shade being thrown at Shenseea or this was just a post he just generally make. He wrote, "Some people will only love you as much as they can use you. Their loyalty ends where the benefit stops." So that was what entertainment coordinator and Romeich manager, the former manager of Shenseea I should say, posted on his social media platform earlier today. But this news and the announcement of this whole entire dilemma that unfolded on social media last night has sent shockwave throughout the entire entertainment fraternity, as Shenseea, as you know, was in Romeich camp for many years. But many are actually wondering what really caused the split right now, because recently another member of Romeich camp as well made a split as well, and I'm talking about up top boss himself, TJ, who was actually on the Romeich team for over a year, and he actually made a split as well. But it doesn't look good on the side of Romeich right now, as Romeich was one of the top entertainers in the Romeich camp. And actually right now many people are trying to get word from Romeich in relation to what transpired, but it's very hard to reach him at this point in time based on the new development. However, a number of fans have took to social media just in order to congratulate Shenseea on this move, and we know that this means that her career is on an upward trend with this new development. However, it's very sad to see that the two had to part such like this. Depending on the situation, we don't know. However, we know that Romeich has helped Shenseea's career to be propelled so much on the international scene, and it's very sad right now what really transpired. However, we'll try our best to keep you up to date with this story and what's to come on this. This is Links 007 TV, taking you out for now. Peace out and bless.